In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the tail lights on your Toyota Tacoma. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 2 bolts for the tail light. Grab the tail light and we're going to pull straight out. When you pull straight out, we're popping out these 2 pins from their plastic clips. Remove the connector for the tail light. There's a push button on my thumb. Push on that. Pull straight back. Remove the connector. Remove the tail light. Grab the connector on the new tail light. We're going to install this into the housing. Grab the body side connector. Install it to the tail light. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Line up the tail light and install it into place. Install the bolts. Snug them down. Repeat the same process for the other side, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.